So whatever the weather, try and get out there and have some fresh air, and using right and left side of your brain by walking, it actually helps processing. So fresh air really will keep your mind and your body healthy. Yes, so whatever the weather, whether it's raining, sunshine is always a good one for walks, and whether it's snow, see if you can get yourself out there. There's no bad weather, there is only bad clothing. So put your wellies on, your boots and your coat, and be one with the nature. Enjoy the nature and use the time for mindfulness, just noticing, looking around and noticing, being in the moment. As you breathe in the beautiful fresh air, notice the colours you see, notice the nature, the beautiful nature that we are part of. Okay, enjoy.